I finally got hold of my wife's car, which is an i20, and I'm going to put the mirror in here now. With her car, you connect it in here with a cigarette lighter, but she only has one cigarette lighter, so I have to retake all this out, which is under here and behind this thing. It goes behind here and then up against here and then out. Okay, so now you catch me again. Sorry, I'm busy now uninstalling her one. So now the camera is fairly simple. Okay, there are two rubber bands that you put around the camera and around the mirror. Oh yes, it's fitting nicely. Okay, this one is fitting real nice on a mirror. Let's put it on and actually see if... And that screen is massive, yo! Okay, so right now, I don't have the issues off the bat that I did with my one, which was with this one, which is a cheaper one on Takealot. I'll put a link for this one. This one works perfect. I haven't had any issues with this one with her car. But anyways, this one is 300 odd rand on Takealot, super cheap. This is a no name, which is a DVR, but this is the Crosstour. So I'm putting this one in because obviously it's a much better, system, way better. So I'm not having any issues. I'm not having a mirror in the way. That is outside. I think maybe we just scoot it over, then there we go. Right, okay, that's actually cool. It's showing the whole front of the car. Now I have to rewire. And this goes in the top of this mirror. Let me turn this off because it doesn't have memory card and it's stressing. And with it off, you can't even tell there's a screen there. How stealth is that, eh? So this one has both fittings. This is the rear view camera that is on. You have to now understand that I have to uninstall this one, which is crap because I thought the wiring was the same, even though the fittings are the same. The rear view camera has a little earphone jack type of vibe, like this. Let me actually show you. And then the power wire is this 90-degree USB, and they both fit in this camera, but it doesn't make this camera work. This camera, when I plug it in, it thinks that this is power off for some reason. But okay, that's the problem with this one. So I'm gonna have to take the wiring out here and then reinstall. The great part with this one is the rear view camera wiring goes all the way to the back of the car, and because I have to take all the fittings. You see this here along the side, there's a rubber. I have to take all this out. So just bear with me, guys. Okay, so the only real surgery is you need to remove those rubbers. You pull down the rubbers and then the wire actually sits in between the door. Let me just... The crappy part is this wire is not the same, that's why I have to change it. The older camera, which is the cheaper one on Takealot, has a different wiring setup. Whereas the current camera she has here now has two wires on the back of the feed for the rear view camera. That comes to it has the one wire that comes from the camera in front from the screen. Then there's one red wire. That red wire goes to a power for when you put it into reverse. So it's just the two wires on the current camera, which is the one wire for the feed and the net positive for when you need to power it for the reverse. Now this one though has two wires and the feed, without a doubt, positive and negative. Oh wait, so the rear view camera doesn't need a negative. Let's see if we hook up just the positive and if that works. Nice camera. I won't lie, the review camera on this thing is way nicer than that cheap one on Takealot. So let's turn it on. It's powering the camera now. Let's put it in reverse. Ooh! It doesn't need a negative. That's brilliant. Okay, so that kind of saves me. It doesn't need a negative signal. Even though the negative is here, doesn't need a negative signal for it to receive signal from here. It just needs a positive. But then why give it a negative wire? It makes no sense. I'm actually just going to put the wire behind this panel. So that's what I did with the other one and it worked. So okay, let's give it a shot now. And let's see with the camera in. Alright, once see so lekker by this camera. is way clearer. Let's put it in reverse. And there you go. You can see clearly behind you. Let's take out the reverse. And there's the front camera. But I need to put the SD card in here and then get this sorted. So let's turn the car on and see if it starts recording. Still says no memory card, so let's go to the settings. Okay, so now you can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm formatting the SD card. It says confirmed. Formatting confirmed, yes. Okay, date and time. It is the 1st of June. That is the correct time, I think. And then we can go back out, camera. It's the front camera, and now it's recording. Yeah, it's recording now. And it's also recording the rear camera. So, I mean, look how good that back camera is. If I click on there, will it show me that camera? No. No. Okay, so there's dual camera there. I think my wife will run it on the setup because she can actually see back and front at the same time. That's just your rear view camera. Do you ride with just your rear view camera on? That's so cool. And it's still recording. Yeah, I think I'll leave it on that setting. That's like the best. Okay. Let's peel this one off. Yeah. Oh yes. I can't focus, but oh. Wow, look at that. That is so nice, man. That is a really nice mirror, and it's so big. You see so much behind you. So I was sitting there. Look how clear the back is. That is amazing. So thank you guys, thanks for watching that. That is the installation of this dash camera. I promise I said I'm going to put it in my wife's car, and I actually did put it in my wife's car. It's a little bit more than effort, but the plus part was it was already a camera with more or less the same wiring, so the wiring went in the same place. It's just it wouldn't work with that camera, so I actually had to put this camera's wiring, which is too difficult. And a plus is it doesn't need a negative on the black wire. Yes, so thank you very much for watching. Please like and please hit the subscribe button, so I know you guys are actually enjoying the content. There will be more things coming. I have a couple of things to try out on the Mercedes, which I should get more things for the Mercedes. It needs brakes and it needs things like that. So I'll be doing that, install videos as soon as I can. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Negative on the black wire. Only saw needed a positive, so that worked. So thank you for watching. Please like. Where's the camera going now? The camera's like, I'm over here. I'm over here.